Alright, what's up guys? I'm going to basically go over the story of what happened with my cougar. It happened about October 2023. I was on my way home, typical, driving home from work, sunny day, no bad weather or anything like that. I was going through an intersection and there was a person that blew through a stop sign. They completely T-boned my cougar, sent me in a 180 spin. I ended up having to drive it home because I wasn't paying for a tow truck and I was 2 minutes away, luckily, from home. The damage wasn't too bad. I can show up some pictures here. I ended up bending a lot of it out myself just so I can drive it again. I decided I wanted to go through insurance. They quoted me $7,500 for the repair, so they just decided to give me a settlement. Going through that, about 6 months ago, I was searching on Marketplace and I happened to come across a 2000 Mercury Cougar in silver. So I drove it home, no issues. The beginning of this month, I started the process of cutting open the quarter panel and transplanting it onto my car. And this is how it's been. So I've tacked majority of the sheet. Going around, I got a few more spots to tack. This spot, I've started to grind and even out already. Just taking my time. So, just about to change the wire on my welder, but I feel like this is a good time to go over some of the things that I'm using to fix my quarter panel. So, obviously I've done most of the welding now. I've only been using a cheap Princess Auto Power Fist welder. You know, Canadian tire grinder, some cheap $1 discs, Ryobi drill, and some cheap tips. So with that being said, 2 weeks ago I did not know a thing about welding, and here we are today.